The demands of the public are met, and that is that the president steps down. Will you be happy to have those vigilante groups on the streets?
We will continue to demonstrate on the one hand, and we will continue to defend our lives and property and household on the other hand. We'll continue to maintain this national security of the Egyptian people. This man, Mubarak, has smashed our humanity. He, even at his last days in the rule, he is still insulting us. Now they are releasing thugs from the police personnel, but we will stand up to ourselves. We will defend our household, we will defend our property, and we believe this is the last ditch attempt by Mubarak. Throughout history, the Egyptian people held their heads high. They always stayed fast. They always stand defending their own lives and property.
For the moment there, Nawara Negan, thank you very much for joining us from Cairo. Of course, we can bring you still pictures from Cairo. This is actually the Supreme Council for the press building, which is very close to the NDB building that was ransacked and gutted just a few nights ago. And it's all in the area, very close to the National Museum. So you can see the pending worry for authorities as they can't get those emergency vehicles to the area to put that fire out. They certainly do not want it to spread. Well, in the past couple of hours, the army has announced that it'll be deploying extra enforcements or reinforcements on the streets of Egypt to maintain the calm. This comes as more